My name is Bethany, and I live in a small town south of San Antonio, Texas called Pleasanton. I enrolled in Proofread Anywhere in 2015 when I was pregnant with my first child. I was 7 months along, and I had been searching for a proofreading opportunity for a long time that would allow me to work from home once he was born. I enrolled in Proofread Anywhere because it seemed like someone was finally talking to me. I read through all the testimonials, I read through all the reviews, and everything Caitlin said really connected with me. I finally felt like it was something that I could really do. And I couldn't wait to get started. I foolishly thought that I would be able to complete the course by the time my baby was born and could immediately start working from home with him. But newborns have other plans, and after starting again twice, I finally completed the course in July 2017. I got my first client in late August of 2017 after it took me about a month to get my marketing materials ready, my domain name ready, my website, but I got my first client in late August, and she is still with me to this day. I got my next steady client in October of that same year, and she is also still with me to this day. And I think within about 4 months, I made back everything I had invested in the course. That includes my iPad, that includes my reference books that I bought, and my domain name, my marketing materials. Everything that I had spent, I recouped within 4 months of proofreading part-time. I still had a full-time job, I still had a family to take care of, but I knew that this was something that was all mine, just for me. And when my husband was transferred from his job in 2018, I knew that we didn't have to worry because of proofreading. It gave us freedom, it gave us less worry over debt, and I have actually been able to pay off a student loan all with proofreading money. And I wouldn't be where I am today without Proofread Anywhere or Caitlin, as she is the founder, and I don't know where it will go from here, but hopefully I can always have this in the back burner. It gives me confidence at my job because I know that this is something that is only for me, and I will be forever grateful to Proofread Anywhere.